Guess what we're doing today? We'll give you a little tiny hint. What do you think? What do you think? What are we doing?
Nothing.
We're going camping.
We're going camping.
We're heading to Big Lake. We're almost ready. We got like a few more steps left.
What are you doing? Can I see? Can I hold it first? Can I hold it first?
Hold on, I'm recording Dad.
That's all I do is just drive and come. That's all what I do. Boy, that's not gonna get a bunch of views, is it?
We made it here, and this is camping.
I'm gonna go see the water because it's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah, this is a much better spot than 2 years ago.
But there's some more rocks right there. It's right here. Oh yeah. They're gonna be so cute. I'm not gonna get them though. What they did? Oh, they went that way. Should we go follow them?
Yeah, in a second.
I might. Yeah. Bye, Mom. Sorry, I'm not gonna cut right.
Well, we can't have fires, unfortunately.
Fucking sucks.
They said no matter, even if it rains or if it's not weather permitted, we just cannot have fires. So that's unfortunate, but I refuse to go camping without having a s'more. So we're getting ready. Alex style.
Well, there ain't no candles, so at least you won't be.
Yeah, normally I do make s'mores at home with candles.
That's right. But I'm sad I left my new pony Mom and Sunny.
Don't.
Fine, got one of these.
You get fucking gas out.
Something different than cooking.
Oh, you got me one for me? Thank you. With chocolate?
Duh. Day 2. Beautiful. Let's let the dogs go. Go, thanks. Come on. Pontius. No. You gotta wait. Come here, Pontius. Everybody's playing horsey. There keeps catching frogs.
Probably gonna get worse from him, but.
Go, bud.
You see him?
Yeah, I think so.
Look how cool they are.
Cute.
It's like the 4th and 5th one I've caught. Oh no! Well, that's
Make up.
camping with a toddler. She's 4 and she's freezing,
Yep, I am.
but she is in the water. It's pretty shallow too. Like it's like, I don't know, like 50 feet out there. You'd say it's pretty shallow.
Probably, yeah.
Surprisingly, because last time when we were here on the other end, it's just a straight drop off. Like you have a little walkway that just goes straight to heavy where we were swimming and everything last year. But
Firefly.
yep. And the dogs are having fun over there. That thing's having fun. But yeah, not too bad of a spot. Highly recommend Camp Spot 11 up here at Big Lake Campground. Probably a good one to come to.
Get it. Get it in.
You big old hippo, get out of the way.
Oh, you can on the computer. You direct me where?
Hey. Yeah, this is our camp, and I'm gonna show your poop. I mean the poop. I'm gonna show the dog's poop, okay?
We're not using that clip.
Okay, this is gonna be great. See? Now see? Yeah. It's gross, and I saw it. I just wanted to saw it, and this is so cool. My dad was in here, and he's not in there again. But seriously, I'm sick. Ow! Yeah, I'm okay. I should try that again, but I won't. But shit. On. And I just got hurt, and I was like, what? I know it.
Hey, now we might use that clip.
And I was like, what happened? So I'm gonna hang it. Bye.
Make sure you release them, okay?
Let me see your frog. Yeah.
Come on, squeeze. Show mom your frogs.
It's in there somewhere. Cute.
Yep, they're cute.
Hey, release them, baby.
Okay. How does it do? It's Spy River.
Oh, he's chilling with you, huh?
Oh, he's chilling with me.
Come on, man. How you doing a scan in here? Everybody knows what a trailer looks like.
Do they? Do they? Do they?
Hey.
I really hope there's sound on that.
Hi.
Sandwiches for us. And just thinking, man, the best and the worst part about last day of camping is the fact that it's the last day. We're all ready to get home and feel clean and, you know, just be home, but also like this view, I'm gonna be missing that until we can come see it again. We've had such a good time though. We got a few more hours left, so we're gonna make the most of it. Till then, we're gonna get some breakfast. These two are so cute. They've been catching frogs all weekend. She wanted to catch a few more before we took off. Let's see how many they caught this time. You having any luck?
No.
No? Let me see.
Damn, you're missing him.
Harry.
Guys,
Oh my gosh.
damn it, you're missing him, bro. Look.
Green girl.
Whoa.
Don't worry, they're all gonna go back. We're just playing with them.
There you go. Look at him.
Be free. Be happy.
Be happy, bud. Okay. Take this one. Oh, this is for butterflies and for fireflies.
Yeah, any kind of bug. And this little weenie can't wait to get home. He's missing out on all the fun. He wants to go help them catch frogs. Come on, Bubba. Oh, you know, I'm sorry. Where's Minx? There she is. We're almost all done, guys. Hi. Okay, we'll miss you, Big Leg. Do we have fun?
Yeah, we did. Or I'm gonna think of
What about Dad?
Oh. They,
Success. Okay, we'll say bye.
bye.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.